How to fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we will simply learn how we can fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to fix it, first of all, there are a couple of ways to do this. Make sure that you've completely closed the Roblox application from your home screen. Once you've closed the Roblox application, go ahead and open up your search window, and then in the search box, you just want to search for and type in percentage app data, and you want to type in percentage again. So type in percentage app data percentage. I'll also make sure to drop this direct text down below so you can see this file folder. So just go ahead and open it up, and once you come to this page, you want to navigate to app data over here. Once you go to app data, go to local. Once you go to local, here you have to find the Roblox folder now, and once you find the Roblox folder, just select it and delete it. Again, in my case, I've already deleted it, so you're not being able to save. So assuming that this is a Roblox folder in itself, just right click on it and then click on the delete button as well. Once you do that, hopefully this fixes the issue. If not, then you can try to go ahead and launch the settings window. Once you launch settings, go to network and internet from the left hand side, and from the right hand side go to VPN. Over here you want to make sure to turn off VPN. A VPN can be useful, but sometimes it can make your network unstable, so make sure to keep that in mind. Hopefully this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.